Lesson 6. Lord Manifests. You and I have lived many lives. We have forgotten, but the Lord remembers them all. Lord is eternal, and His divine form never ages or deteriorates. Lord manifests itself within the world through its mystical power, appearing in every age. Whenever righteousness wanes and unrighteousness rises, Lord manifests itself on earth to restore cosmic order. In every age, Lord takes a form to protect the virtuous, eliminate the wicked, and uphold the cosmic order. Anyone who truly understands the divine nature of Lord's actions will not be reborn. He will merge with the Lord. Freed from attachment, fear, and anger, and purified by spiritual wisdom, many have attained unity with the Lord. People approach the Lord in various ways, and He welcomes them accordingly. All paths lead to the Lord. Those seeking worldly success worship leaders of the material world. They pray for material rewards and are quickly rewarded through their actions. Lord has created the cosmic order. He has established the divisions of society based on qualities and actions. Although He is the creator of this order, He is immutable and unaffected by these actions. Actions do not bind the Lord, nor is He attached to their outcomes. One who understands this truth about the Lord also remains unattached to the results of their actions. Knowing this truth, ancient seekers engaged in action without attachment. Follow their example, engaging in action as a means to liberation. Understanding what constitutes true action and inaction has puzzled even the wisest sages. It is crucial to grasp what is right action, what actions should be avoided, and what constitutes inaction, as the true nature of action is complex and subtle. Those who can discern inaction in action and action in inaction possess true wisdom. Such individuals act with full awareness and reside in a higher state of consciousness. A wise person acts without desire for personal gain, and their actions are purified by knowledge, freeing them from selfish motives and the anxiety of outcomes. The truly wise are content and independent, not reliant on external supports and unaffected by the results of their actions, acting as instruments of a higher purpose. Free from all expectations and possessiveness, and with complete control over mind and body, one does not accrue sin, even while performing actions. Those who have transcended life's dualities and remain unaffected by success or failure, living without competition or envy, achieve true freedom in their actions. Individuals free from ego, who understand the unity of all life, engage in their duties with a spirit of service. Their actions, unattached to material outcomes, transcend ordinary results and merge into spiritual liberation. Every aspect of sacrifice is divine. The act, the offering, and the purpose are all manifestations of the self. One who recognizes this unity in all actions realizes the divine self.